Beautiful. So this is my Switchback Pro that I've fit the VTX-R into. The main thing I've done is I've had to take the rear standoffs off. It's very rigid, so there's not a frame resonance type of issue with doing this. The problem, of course, is that in a really hard impact, I'm going to transfer a good amount of load into the stack. These top standoffs right here are actually stack standoffs made out of aluminum, and then below that it's just screwed on top of the existing stock M3 screws that are used for the stack. My suspicion is in a really hard crash, the weakest link's probably going to break, which is going to be these top aluminum stack screws. I suspect they're probably going to rip out or shear off, and I have seen these aluminum pieces shear off before. So best case, hard crash, this canopy comes back and deflects, the stack stays still, and the top bolts shear off. Even better would be a U-shape piece of CNC aluminum that would go around the extra long VTX. If someone ever makes that, they'll really have to test it out. But really liking this thing. Super rigid. I've standardized on the Switchback frame, as have many. And putting Byte in it, while kind of annoying, I didn't have to make that many modifications. I just had to use the bottom plate as a template and then drill through the top plate for these 4 holes here. It flies really fast. I've got the different arms to swap out, so I can try the long back arms and also the side force generators. It's a pretty cool design. I like it a lot. And I really like having Byte in there, adding minimal weight, minimal bulk. Really cool. The new OSD is really easy to read.